What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Missflips. In today's episode, we are going to be flipping outside because it's a beautiful fall day and I want to soak up the sun before it gets too cold to do so. Alright guys, so today we are flipping this chair here. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace for $25 and it is authentic mid-century, so I had to scoop it up. It was in pretty rough shape, the joints were falling apart and the pieces of wood were definitely split in some places, and it had a lot of work to be done on it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get it cleaned up and then we're gonna get started on the repairs. For cleaning, I'm using my usual eco-friendly mixture of vinegar and water. For this leg repair, I started with a syringe but then realized that the split went down the majority of the leg and thought that the best way to fix it was just to break it all the way. That way I could make sure that I got glue all the way down the break and make sure that it didn't break any further. For the existing dowels, I decided to saw off the excess, and that way I could just drill into them with a dowel drill bit and create new holes for new dowels. This got a little tricky, especially when the dowel itself was split, like this one here, so I just went in and kind of just drilled at an angle until the scraps from the dowel filled the rest of the hole. That way I could go straight down the middle of the hole without having the drill bit just go everywhere and in every direction and, make not a good hole. Grammar. I'm good at it. After all the repairs were made, it was time to get in there and sand. I started off with a 100 grit sandpaper and then moved my way from 120 to 180 and then finished with a 200 grit. For the stain, I am keeping it classic with early American. I thought that this color would look really nice with the black leather, so we're going in with that, and I did a total of 2 coats on this baby, letting it dry in between each coat. To give a little bit of life into this leather, we are using Melange's Quenching Balm Finishing Oil. It is so good for both wood and leather, and it just brightened this baby right up, and I was able to get all that little dust buildup under these buttons here, and it worked incredibly. After brushing it on, I went in with a cloth and made sure to wipe up all the excess, that way it didn't, you know, be all lumpy and liney and sticky and gross. So yeah, you want to go on in with a cloth and rub it off, you know, wax on, wax off type of thing. It's great. Look at this difference real quick. Just look at this with me. The bottom is not done yet, the top is. My gosh, does this stuff make a huge difference. Ugh, I'm in love. This chair was used by an older gentleman in his workshop, so there was a lot of paint and little remnants of stuff left on the leather, and for this I just went in really carefully with a razor blade and just scraped it off very lightly, and then went back in there with the balm and wiped it away, and it worked amazingly well. There's probably better ways to do this, you know, if you're a professional leather refinisher, restorer person, but you know, we're working with the knowledge we have here. Before I show you guys the finished product, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of your love and support. You guys are all so awesome. And if you're looking for other ways to support Missflips, consider joining my membership program. I have a ton of awesome benefits in there for you guys, so please make sure to check it out. It is the join button below this video, so it's super easy and accessible, or you can go to my profile and click the join button to see all of the different types of memberships that I have. Thank you so much to those of you who have joined already. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all those things so that we can stay a happy flippin' family. And until next time, stay flippin'.